Quickly, I want to show you guys how you can create more ad accounts in your business manager account. I just opened my business manager account now and I went to business setting. You simply go to this hamburger icon, go to business setting, and you can always go to hamburger icon anywhere you are. Okay, now you can, when you are on that particular business, go to business info, and if you look at it now, they have given me 5 ad account limits, and currently I have 3 ad accounts. So what I will do now is I will create additional 2 so that I will have that additional 2 ad accounts, and I will always advise you to create your ad account when your account is healthy, because once you have issue you can no longer create account again. So ensure you create ad account anytime you see you have opportunity to create ad account. Create it while you are healthy before your account have issue. Okay, so I'm going to create it now. I will give the ad account name. I will give this one 3. Then I will leave the time zone like this, and the currency. The currency will be in Naira. I'll click next. Then I will check my own business and click create. And I will select the people that will manage the ad account. I have added people, and like I always tell my students, always add people to your account so that if one account have issue, you can from there manage your account. Okay, for example, this week one of my business manager account was restricted, so I had to go through one of the accounts to request review, and when I requested for review it was reinstated, and that was why I decided to check. And when I checked, I discovered that additional 2 ad account was given me. So that is why I am using this opportunity now to create the ad account. Okay, so I'm creating the 5th ad account now. So I am adding some persons to it. I'll click assign. I'll close this one for now. I will add the payment later because I intend to use pay you option for this account. Okay, so I'm done with this. Let me see the number of ad accounts I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. Okay, let me go to other businesses I have and see whether I have the privilege to create more ad accounts. Ooh, okay, they require me to verify my 2-factor authentication. Okay, a code has been sent to me. Let me enter the code quickly. They have not been doing this before. Okay, let me enter the code. 085 423 423 I'll click confirm. Okay, the code is correct. Okay, you can see this business have only 3 ad accounts. Let me see if I can create more. I'll go to business info. Okay, this one only have a limit of 3 ad accounts. Okay, so there's no privilege to create more. Let me check other account too. Let me check this one. And currently I have how many accounts here? Let me check. I have 3 ad accounts. By the time I go to business info, okay, I only have 3. They have not given me opportunity to create more. Let me check other businesses. Let me check this particular one and see the number of currently how many accounts do I have here. I have 3 accounts. Okay, I think I've checked this one before. Okay, I still have 3 ad account limits. Let me still check further. Let me check this particular one. Okay, this one is 1 limit. So I'm going to leave it now. So that is how you can create more ad accounts the moment you are given the privilege to do so before your account have issue. So once you create it now, you add people to it. Even though you have issue, you can from the other admin access your account. And if you have a new Facebook profile, you can add that new profile and continue your business. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.